Hey everyone, it is Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am trying to get this done really quick before I open today, but I have a massive haul again. I went shopping over the weekend and bought a new to me truck for the shop for picking up stuff, and I'll try to remember to post a picture right up here. Nothing special, but I love it, and I've already filled it twice. The back end once and the back seat twice. I am so stinking excited. So I won't have everything that I picked up furniture-wise. It may post at the end of the video pictures of the before and maybe even one of the after of the piece I already got done already. But let me dive into this haul before a customer walks in and I open in like 10 minutes. So we got a candlestick, and I honestly, it's just resin. I'm not sure I'm going to do anything to it. The color's okay. And I've got two of these, and again, this is resin. I'm leaving these as is as well. I'm not doing a thing to them other than wiping them down. And then we found a Pottery Barn bird. He is super cute. Not going to do anything to him. I am going to just clean him up and put him out on the floor. I have over here an IKEA kids chair. They did a not so hot job staining it. This will probably end up getting painted, to be honest. And then I also got a little IKEA table as well. Again, the staining isn't great. And there's a lot of marker and crayons and whatnot on it, which you expect with the kids table. But I think I am going to refinish those and paint those. Also, let me just get the big stuff out of the way here. I got this little chest. Let me get up here. You guys can see the detail on this. I love it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, if anything. And then we have a box here with some rope handles. I still have to decipher what exactly these say. And maybe try to sand off some of that because it just reminds me of Charlie Brown's shirt. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. And I'm not digging these handles, but they work. So actually it'd be really cute hung like that as a shelf. Anyways, got that. We got a wood frame, and this thing is heavy. This is the frame. I will probably paint the frame up. It already has hanging hardware. Then we got a clock. I have not tested this one yet to see if it works. It's large. It is plastic, but these still paint up okay. And when they're hanging on the wall, you don't know that they're plastic. So then, if I can get to these, I have three pane windows, all the glass intact. There's the black, and then the rest I think are all just brown. And with those, I also got a 6 pane. You know, I love upcycling my windows, and I was really excited to grab those. I got all of them for 20 bucks, like 20 bucks together, not each. Was really happy with that. Funky step stool. This will get probably stained, painted. I'm thinking decoupage paper on the top of those rungs would be super cute. And then another step stool still has the label, so this may take sanding it off with my orbital maybe to get that off, but I love upcycling them. I have two step stools in the store right now. And then a quilt, you guys. This is handmade. And it is beautifully done. I didn't even open it all the way to see if there's a name on it. It's just a throw one, not like a bed size or anything. I do not see any sort of patch that signifies who did it, but it's beautiful, and the colors will be perfect for fall, maybe even late summer. I'm trying to decide where to go next, y'all. A plant, a fiddle leaf, fake fiddle leaf. Fake, because my green thumb has left the building as of late, and it sucks. But this was just a threshold one, and these type of things are so great for putting in different type of pots or crocks. And then, look, I found one that's got the bare base. I'm excited to redo that base on that. Those are always good sellers for us. And then a little creamer. I didn't see, I need to take the tag off, but I didn't see a maker, but these are always just really fun to put flowers or greenery in. A little milk glass vase. It had the flower will go, but this candlestick will get painted. It is just, actually, I really dig the color on this. I might not do anything to that. I got some more flashcards, some vintage ones, and a silver-plated candlestick. This, I swear it matches the one I have up front already. I'll have to double check that. I bought a vintage bingo game for the bingo cards inside of that. And then I did find one book. I know you're asking, why am I buying this? I'm buying this because, one, this is gorgeous. And the patina on these pages is gorgeous. Can never remember what it's called when they're cut at different lengths here. But it's black with gold. Beautiful. It'll make a great shelf sitter. And yes, another little step stool. I do not dig this red color, so this will definitely be getting a makeover. And then Todd found these vintage wire puzzles. So these will get put out into like maybe like a dough ball. This is, I don't know if you guys can see through the grime on there. This is actually a Land O'Lakes cheese box. I'm going to try cleaning that up a little bit just so that you can read the Land O'Lakes, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Those do not stay in my store very long when I find Land O'Lakes ones. And then a hen who needs desperately cleaned up. And we have two of these, and these will not get anything done to them. They're great. So far, I think all the candlesticks will not get makeovers today. Pitberry wreath, that is red, white, and blue, so this will be perfect come summer. A Scrabble game. Have a plan with the tiles. I have a plan. I love this little garden sign. This is from Joanne Fabrics. It's just cute. It'll go up as is. It's in great condition. I found a little metal wreath with leaves. I'm not doing anything to that. And then I found some cute gingham coasters, and those will go out. Those will be great for summer. I have I don't know, can you see, the lighting back here is terrible today, but back there is a galvanized like sorter for nails and screws and bolts. Anyways, I have all sorts of fun little knicky knackies and kitchen stuff in there. So both of these little watering cans will probably go in there. Same with this cute little creamer. I believe this was out of Duluth, Minnesota. Warwick, China, E.F. Berg Co. Duluth, Min. And then I found two gorgeous black glass swans, geese. And there's colander, a metal colander. There's no chips in them. They're pretty. This one has a tag, and let me see if I can. Is it Hallmark? They're from Hallmark. So, two little glass swans. I have not seen black glass like that before. We always are on the lookout for Better Homes and Gardens cookbooks like this. They sell pretty well. That one's a little sun faded, but it'll still work. Another white pitcher. Has some great detail. It is 1970. And last but not least, a mug for home, because Lord knows we need more mugs. A perpetual calendar. I will probably redo this box, not digging the floral on it. I'll probably repaint that. This is not getting anything done to it because it is adorable, right? And then a copper. This thing is actually brass, maybe. I guess I need to do, I don't know. But it is heavy and it's super cute, and it would look really cute with some green like moss balls in there. It would look great. So that is my haul for the week. Now the fun comes cleaning these all up, removing all the tags, and repricing them and getting them styled up. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and we shall see you all next time. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.